Hello everyone and welcome to the Sanbrooke Adventures, where it's time for a home vlog because we're all set up now for the spooky season, so we're going to give you a bit of a tour around.
We managed to get the Pumpkin Man safe and sound from America. I was a little bit concerned because when we got back, my case was actually damaged and it got a big dent in it, and I was hoping that the Pumpkin Man was going to be okay. But he's okay and he's made it back.
That's the worst thing, isn't it? Like, they bash your cases around
so
sometimes. And yeah, luckily with this case, we were going to be replacing it after this trip anyway, so we're not too worried about that. It was more the fact that we thought about he was in there, you know.
We got it off the baggage carousel and I was like, oh my god, look at this dent, because I knew that that's where the Pumpkin Man's head was. But he's perfectly safe and he's happy.
He was fine, luckily. Here he is. He's been sat on our sofa ever since. And of course, hope you enjoyed all the different vlogs from our California trip. We've been sharing them over the past month or so. We had an amazing time out there. We saw so much. We did so many things. And yeah, I hope that you enjoyed it. It was lovely, wasn't it?
Oh, we had such a good time. Like, we loved it.
And we've been back a couple of weeks actually now. Obviously, we've been sharing the videos every few days. And yeah, of course, we're all set up now for Halloween here at home. We've actually already done a couple of Halloween videos before the California trip. Well, and of course, we built up the groundbreaker skeleton from Costco. That feels like ages ago now, because to be honest, it was. But yeah, we've got some more decorations in the garden. We've also got the big pumpkin scarecrow out now in the garden as well, so we'll show you him. And we've got a few bits around the house as well. So yeah, let's have a bit of a look round and show you what we set up for Halloween. This is where the Pumpkin Man's been sitting since we came back. It's great because obviously he moves, doesn't he? Like, you can actually proper sit him down at the table. And
like, his legs will bend so he can just sit there like that, sit with his legs. You can put his leg up in the air and he can be like, woo!
Hey.
He's brilliant, Tim. I love it.
Yeah, we really like him. And then, of course, we put some decor around the house. So, yeah, we've got these. Last year, we actually had them on the front, but we thought for this year, we're going to put them inside. Why not? But, yeah, so we've got this nice garland that's gone around the mirror just there. Obviously, this mirror, I did lower it down when I did the decorating. Yeah, we're actually seeing it because when we first moved in, basically, I put the mirror up too high. So, yeah, I've lowered it down now. So, yeah, it looks a lot better in that position. So, yeah, we've just got this nice decoration around it. This was from the range. Like I said, I purchased this last year. I think they were about £25 each, so they were quite expensive. But they are nice. You've got like the little acorns on there, very full autumnal decor. And then I've just added these myself onto the bottom just here as well. I can't remember where I got these from now, but I've just added them on there. And it looks nice, that, doesn't it?
I like that.
Yeah. Got a couple of pumpkins just down here as well. So we got these material ones last year from Hobbycraft, and we got a few of those. There's some in the kitchen as well, so I'll show you them in just a moment.
They have still got those this year as well. We did see them in Hobbycraft.
We've got the big one down there at the bottom. Hey, I can't remember where we got that from.
It was from Primark, I believe.
Was it? Yeah, that's a good one.
From Primark Home last year.
Yeah, I like that. Then we got the pumpkin stack just over here. All of these do light up actually as well, which are quite nice. Yeah, decor is looking good. And then in the window, we've got a few decorations just here as well. There we go. So yeah, we've put the pumpkin on the side. We've got like this little garland that runs along the middle. That's the same sort of one that we've got up there on the mirror. And yeah, it's looking nice. Got a couple of those down here as well, next to the TV. We've gone a bit more spooky, haven't we, this year?
Oh, you love it. I love coming back and then seeing all those full decor. It's my favourite.
Yeah, that's the thing. I can't remember. Have we got the picture in? I don't know. I can't remember. I remember getting the decor in. I don't know, but here it is anyway. Here's our wonderful picture from the wedding that we've had as a canvas. I can't remember. It's been a while since we filmed the home vlog, and we didn't have that too long ago, so I can't remember if we showed it or not. But there it is. That's now up on the wall down in here. Into the kitchen. We've got another one of the pumpkin stacks just over there. Wait till you see the garden, you get a little bit of a preview just there. And yeah, we got these little material pumpkins just down here. So yeah, I like the purple ones actually. Yeah.
Very spooky.
Obviously all the decor that I did in here like a couple of months back now. Got the nice wallpaper, which I'm really pleased with that, like the animal style wallpaper that we went for. And then also on top of the mirror, got another one of the full garlands just there as well with the decorations on. Obviously I like putting things around the mirrors at Christmas, so I thought we may as well do it for Halloween as well, just to add a little bit of decor. And talking of Christmas, that's going to be coming up before we know it. I've bought something amazing also from Costco for Christmas, but I'm not going to show you that yet. But we've got a brand new feature that is going to go right there on the table, because obviously we always do this like really nice with the garlands. It's very red, very warm and cozy. We've got something amazing which we're going to share with you all when we set up for Christmas. So.
It is brilliant. It's so nice. It was like instant, like, yes, we've got to get this.
Yeah, we brought this lamp down. This was upstairs actually, but we've brought this downstairs now because we've made room for a treadmill. upstairs. So yeah, getting a bit more active. So we'll show you the treadmill shortly after we've shown you the garden. Hey,
Wow.
look at this. Hey. It looks so good, doesn't it? Like all the decor. Obviously, the groundbreaker we've had up for quite some time now. Down there at the back.
There he is, Billy Bones.
From Costco, and if you want to see that being set up, make sure you check out the video. And then got some new additions as well. So these two pumpkin men that we've got on the side, I bought them last year. They were from B&M. From B&M Bargains, yeah, not too expensive. I think they were about £15 each, and they're back in this year as well.
Yeah, we saw them not long ago.
But yeah, last year, again, we had these out the front, but I thought let's put them where we can actually see them this year. And then also, I've just bought some new pumpkins as well. So we've got these ones just here, down at the front. These were from Home Bargains. Yeah, there you go. And then also down there at the back, got the pumpkin stacks, and they were from Morrison's. Like, you wouldn't think it, but from Morrison's. I'll give you a bit of a close-up look at them, actually. Take you out into the garden so you can see it. The weather's not too bad today. And yeah, what I've actually done with these, I've put them on the little wooden boxes just there as well, which looks quite nice. And my plan is to paint them at some point. I probably won't do it for this year now, but for next year, I'm going to paint them and put like maybe Sanbrooke's Pumpkin Farm or something on there. Then that'll look quite nice. Obviously, all the lighting. But yeah, these are quite big. And obviously, also, it weights them down, doesn't it, with it being on the box. I will attach it to them. And then, yeah, you got the big Morrison stacks at the back. All these light up. So we're going to show you it in the dark a little bit later on in this video. Yeah, we'll show you it at night so you can see it all. And then, of course, here he is. We set him up a while ago, but he's got his position outside. Obviously, it is for outdoor use. This is from Costco. The animatronic scarecrow. We'll get him turned on tonight so you can see him in action. But yeah, this is great because at night I've also added this floodlight underneath. It lights him up red or whatever colour I want to have it. So it's good really because I've managed to attach it under the fence just there to keep it nice and secure, and so it's all like screwed in at the bottom to stop it falling forwards. And I was a little bit worried really, you know, it says it was for outdoor use, but I didn't know how it was going to get on outside, like with all this cloth. And this is great because it dries off so fast. Within a couple of hours of it being soaked, it dries off really good, and obviously it protects like all the electronics and elements inside. But like I say, it is for outdoor use anyway. I've just ran a cable down there to plug it in so we can just do it from the house. So that's the garden. We'll show you it a little bit later though, so you can see it at night. But no, do you like it, Charlotte?
Oh, I love it. It's nice because I can sit here and have my tea, and then I'll get to look out at all the Halloween decorations in the garden.
Yeah, it's ideal. So there you go. That's our Halloween decor for 2024. Hey, here we go then. So we're upstairs in the guest room. And we've got the treadmill just here now.
Look at that.
Fantastic. Now, I actually had a treadmill around my mum and dad's house. And during COVID, I went on it quite a lot, like every day on the treadmill. Not really running, but more just power walking and doing a little jog sometimes. So I thought, let's get a treadmill, especially with going into winter now as well, and with the parks closing. It just means that you can keep a bit more active over winter. And I've been meaning to do this for a while, so I'm going to make sure I'm going on the treadmill a lot. Since we came back from California, I'll be honest, I have hardly been on it at all. Charlotte went on for a little bit, didn't you?
Yeah, I did go on it for a little bit, but we have been really busy as well.
Yeah, that's the thing. So the plan is to get a bit more active on the treadmill, and yeah, we've got it all set up just here. Let me pull that off. Where are you? There we go. It's got like the little safety clip
It's funny
on.
when it stops so quick. 'Cause you feel like you're still moving.
It's abrupt. Obviously, it's there as a safety feature. You just clip that on, and then basically, you know, if you do come like backwards, it just stops it. Like stops it straight away. So we've got the treadmill. I bought this from Debenhams online, and it was about 150 quid. So not too bad, because obviously treadmills, you think, oh, they're going to be really expensive. I debated, is it worth like a gym membership? But I thought, no, I may as well just buy one. And it's fitting here quite nice, hasn't it, Charlotte?
Yeah, I think it fits in really well. It's nice because you can obviously fold it down. And if you did want to, you could push it under the bed or something, which is really good.
Yeah, it's good because obviously the big bed's got all the storage. So if we do need to pack it up for a little bit, we will. But yeah, you can literally just unscrew at the sides, and this whole bit just comes down like that. And it's ideal, so you can put it under the bed. I mean, it won't fit under this one, but it will under the other bed.
Yeah, it will do.
But to be honest, we're keeping it out because I feel like if you've got the effort of getting it out all the time, it doesn't give you the motivation to go
You're
on
more
it,
motivated if it's there. If you've got to get it out and you're like, oh God, I've got to get the treadmill out.
That's the thing. So it's all here. It's all set up, ready to go. We've just moved the units, and that's why I put the lamp downstairs for the treadmill. I've got a big Nemesis poster up in here as well. Again, I can't remember if I've shown you it or not, but that's up there, and that looks nice. Sit back, it's fright time. That's a original poster from 1994. Alton Towers. Yeah, that's a great piece up there on the wall, so I'm really pleased with that. That's a bit of motivation when you're on the treadmill. And we got this, haven't we, as well, the pumpkin throw.
Yeah, so we've got the pumpkin throw on there as well. Originally, because last year we had this bed in our bedroom, the pumpkin throw fit perfectly on, but because we've got a massive bed now, it doesn't fit on very well. So I've popped it onto here now, which looks really nice. There we go. He's going back on, are you?
I was packing it up.
Packing it
up. For a month. No, but that's it. Just want to try and be a bit more active, get a bit more active on there again. It does you good, doesn't it?
It does.
Not so much the days when we're going to the theme parks.
It's on the days at the parks we're not doing much.
And obviously when the parks close in a few weeks' time for winter, just going on there half an hour a day or something. It did me really good actually, like during COVID. It kept me really motivated. So that's the plan, to go on there and just keep active really. So yeah, it's a bit of an update. I don't think we have got something else to show you actually. Charlotte wanted one of these for ages. So there we go. This was a late wedding gift from a friend of ours.
Look at that. I have wanted this for so long, and you might be thinking, what is it? This is actually a dog toy.
We're not getting a dog.
But we're not getting a dog. But this is fantastic. One of our friends got us this as a wedding present, and I was over the moon to receive this.
Because we love Colin the caterpillar, don't we?
We do. He's an absolute legend in my eyes.
Let's get him out.
Here we go. We're going to get him out.
So it is the dog toy.
That is fantastic.
But it's the shape of Colin the caterpillar.
Like, it's so soft. Like, oh, he's so cute, isn't he? I love him. Like,
the issue is, it makes me want a Colin the caterpillar.
I know. We did have some mini ones the other day. They were quite nice. Look at him. He's brilliant,
nice,
him.
Yeah, and you kept it in the box for the effect.
Yeah, because obviously that's the box that like the cake comes in. So you slide him back in the box, and there he goes.
Is get a Colin the caterpillar, put this next to it, and see, is it the exact same size?
I mean, it does look the same size, yeah.
It's a Halloween one, actually, I think our friend told us, didn't they?
Yeah, they are bringing out another Halloween one. Not the mummy one, because we didn't like that one, did we?
Was that like 2 years ago? I think?
It
Not
was
last year,
not good.
So yeah, we might get that, and maybe the Christmas Colin as well.
Christmas Colin looks good this year. It's like a sleigh on his back.
Lovely. But yeah, they're the updates in the house. So Halloween's looking good. Comment down below if you decorated yet for Halloween. I'd love to know. Anyway, we'll see you a little bit later on when it gets dark. And yeah, we'll show you the garden all lit up at night, because that's where it really comes alive. We get the animatronic card, and obviously the eyes light up in the skeleton, and it looks really good. All the pumpkins lit up as well. So yeah, we'll show you that at night. Look at that spooky Halloween moon tonight, and it makes it perfect for showing you the Halloween garden just here at night. It looks awesome. I'm really pleased with the lighting. There we go. So all the skeletons lit up, and the 4 little pumpkins down here at the side as well. So yeah, you got the 2 biggest stacks down there at the back, and the smaller ones down here at the front. And just off to the left, got some more red lighting with the animatronic pumpkin man just there. Oh, I love it. So yeah, obviously when you walk over closer, that's when he activates. Yeah, I'm going to walk in just over here. There we go. There he goes. Hey. So yeah, I have got the sound turned down on there, but obviously you can turn the sound up and down. That's the same also on the Groundbreaker skeleton. So it's ideal really. So obviously at night, you don't want the sound going off all the time into the evening. But yeah, really pleased with that. I think the movement's awesome. It looks great at night just over there. Obviously better when the security light hasn't come on. That'll go off in just a second. It's quite funny because as soon as I walk out there, the security light comes on. When the pumpkin scarecrow is just doing his thing, it stays off. Yeah, really pleased with how this looks around here. Obviously these are app controlled as well, like smart lights. Yeah, I can change them from in the house, and got the pumpkin stats down there that I got. And yeah, it looks really nice at night. Very happy with it. You can't really see the 2 scarecrows at the side at night very much. Yeah, maybe I could do with putting a couple of lights in those. But just wanted to show you it. Look at that as well, with the beautiful moon tonight just up there. The sky is gorgeous this evening. And there he is, the Pumpkin Lord. Well, there we go, a nighttime look at the garden. He looks so creepy in the corner. We're in the house, it's great. There you go. No, it looks amazing. I'd love to know what your Halloween displays are like this year. So get your comments coming in down below, and then you can share them. Yeah, I'd be really interested to hear about them. Oh, it looks awesome at night there with the lighting, and a very atmospheric moon tonight there as well.
I love going into the kitchen at night to make a cup of tea and looking out at the garden. It just looks so good.
It's great, like, and obviously when I designed the garden a couple of years ago when we first moved in, I thought, oh, we're going to do like some little Halloween displays and Christmas, of course, with a big tree and everything. And we've got more planned for Christmas this year for the garden, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, it looks great. Really pleased with both the big things that I bought from Costco for Halloween this year. I look forward to seeing what they have in there next year, know.
Oh, what are we going to get next year? It's going to be something pretty big, isn't it? It's got to be.
Can we even get something bigger than that? I don't know. But both them items work really well in the garden, and I'm really pleased about it. And you like them as well, don't you, there, mate?
He loves them. Absolutely loves them.
Yeah, we've actually took him up to Alton Towers recently, haven't we, as well?
Yeah, I did like a reel for Instagram with him on there, and it's just had so much fun.
Yeah, make sure you give us a follow over on Instagram. You can find us, Sean Sanbrooke and, of course, Charlotte Sanbrooke, over on Instagram. Give us a follow there. It gives you a preview of everything coming up.
You'll see the Pumpkin Man at Alton Towers.
Hey, but yeah, of course, thanks for joining us here on the channel. Lots more coming up. Like I say, it's not going to be too long now until the start of the Christmas content. Going to be taking you to Blackpool Illuminations next. So stay tuned for that. I'll be taking you along for that one for an evening. And yeah, really looking forward to it. Lots to be excited for moving forwards. But happy Halloween, everybody. Have an absolutely amazing time. And thank you very much for watching. And have your own adventures. Goodbye.